everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Today we're gonna make another variation of slider envelope. So this is the first one which I made. Okay, and this is the pull tab, and when you open this, so this is just a small window in the center. Okay, and then this is the decoration on top, and then you close it, and this is the back. So this is a pocket, and I have made a different pocket here as well for keeping your pictures or messages, whatever you like, you can do that. Okay, so let's just start with the tutorial. For this one, we are gonna need another piece of cardstock. This will measure 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and then on the 8.5 inch side, you're gonna score at 4 inch and 8 inch, and on the other 8.5 inch side, you're gonna score at ½ inch and 8 inch. Okay, and then just cut from this side, any one side, and taper the corners, and this one as well, taper the corners, and I'll tell you exactly where to cut it from. So when you have this part, when you folded both the sides, then from here measure 2 1/4 inch, and then you're gonna slit a window, keeping ½ inch here and ½ inch gap here, and this is gonna be 3 inches. Okay, so this is a 3 inches by 3 inch window. And don't cut all the 4 sides, you have to cut just 3 sides like this, 1 2 and 3. So this will be attached. Okay, and then you're gonna fold it to the back, and this will be your marking. So for this one, you just make a pencil mark, leaving a little bit gap, and then cut this middle part of this ½ inch side. I hope you guys are getting what I am saying. And after that, when this window is, it's slitted, so you're gonna score at, so you can actually score from here. If you see, it's gonna be 1/7/8 inch and then 3 1/4 inch. Okay, from this edge, score at 1/7/8 and then 3 1/4, and then simply just fold it just like we did before for all our windows. So I'm gonna fold it like this, and then this piece will be folded like this, and then we have to put tape on this part, this edge. Okay, after you have put tape on this back side, you're gonna need one more piece. This will measure 3 inches by 3 5/8 inch. Okay, and then you have to cut one pattern paper for this, and this will be our pull tab. So I have cut this pattern paper here, and I'm gonna stick this. Now I'm just gonna stick this, so like this. Like so, and then this will be our pull tab, right? Now I'm just gonna fold these as well. If you want, you can put something at the back, or you can just leave it blank to write a message, stamp a message. accent and then put some glitter as well to it.